The SUV market in 2026 is bigger, more complex, and more expensive than ever. New tech, hybrid options, and rising prices have made one thing crystal clear: reliability matters more than ever. Imagine spending $50,000 on a vehicle only to find yourself in the repair shop within a few years. Today, we're breaking down 5 SUVs for 2026 that are not only stylish and safe, but proven to be reliable, backed by consumer reports, CarEdge, and real-world owner experiences. Whether you're in the US, Canada, or Australia, this list can save you thousands in future repair costs. We'll cover price ranges, resale potential, common maintenance, fuel efficiency, trims, and what makes each SUV stand out in the real world. Let's jump in. Number 1, the Mazda CX-5. First up is the Mazda CX-5, arguably the compact SUV king of reliability. Consumer Reports gives the CX-5 a reliability score of 74 over 100 for 2025, and CarEdge ranks it among the top small SUVs for predicted durability. Why is it so reliable? Mazda sticks to proven naturally aspirated engines, a simple AWD system, and minimal complex electronics. Owners report that many CX-5s surpass 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance. The average annual repair cost is just $400 to $450, which is extremely low for a compact SUV with AWD capability. Pricing? The 2026 CX-5 starts at around $29,000 US, $42,000 Canadian, and AUD 55,000 in Australia for base FWD models. AWD trims go up to $33,000 US, and the turbo 2.5-liter top trims reach about $38,000 US. Fuel economy ranges from 25 to 28 mpg city highway for the 2.5-liter AWD, making it efficient for long trips. Resale value? CX-5 holds its value well, losing about 40% after 5 years, better than many rivals. Owners love the interior quality, soft touch materials, user-friendly infotainment, and quiet ride. Optional iActive AWD provides confidence in snow or rain, which is ideal for Canada and Australia. Tips for buyers? For maximum reliability, stick with the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine over the turbo. Avoid first-year redesign quirks if possible, but 2026 is proven and safe. Number 2, the Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester, the go-to SUV for all-weather reliability. Consumer Reports gives the 2025 Forester a predicted reliability score of 98 over 100. And CarEdge data shows extremely low rates of engine, transmission, and drivetrain failures. The 2026 Forester uses Subaru's 2.5-liter flat-4 engine paired with a CVT. It's a simple, durable combination that has powered hundreds of thousands of Foresters to over 250,000 miles with minimal issues. Symmetrical AWD and high ground clearance make it perfect for snow, rain, or off-road conditions in Canada and Australia. Pricing? Starts at $28,500 US, $41,000 Canadian, and AUD 52,000. Top trims with tech packages go up to $36,000 US. Fuel economy is 26 to 30 mpg combined, very competitive for AWD compact SUVs. Resale? Forester holds its value exceptionally well. After 5 years, a 2026 Forester is expected to retain about 50 to 52% of its original value, better than many AWD rivals. Owners praise the reliability, but sometimes note minor infotainment glitches or small sensor calibration issues. Tips for buyers? 2026 is a solid year. Check for updated software and warranty coverage. Optional eyesight safety tech adds adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and collision mitigation, features that rarely interfere with reliability. Third is the Honda CR-V, a long-time leader in compact SUV reliability. CarEdge lists it among the top vehicles for predicted reliability, while Consumer Reports show strong ratings for engine durability and transmission performance. The 2025 CR-V offers either a 1.5-liter turbo engine or a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter depending on trim.
Most long-term owners report 200,000 plus miles with very few repairs. Average annual maintenance is around $400 to $500, and Honda's extensive service network ensures parts are available in the US, Canada, and Australia. Pricing: $30,000 to $35,000 US, $42,000 to $46,000 Canadian, and AUD $54,000 to $60,000. Fuel economy: 26 to 30 mpg combined, making it one of the most efficient SUVs in its class. Top trims include hybrid options, leather interiors, and advanced safety tech, all while maintaining Honda's reputation for low maintenance reliability. Resale: CR-V retains value well, with 5-year depreciation around 38 to 42%, making it a smart long-term investment. Pro tip: avoid early turbo issues by checking maintenance records, but the 2026 model's reliability is solid. Fourth, the Acura MDX, a mid-size luxury SUV with Honda DNA, which means fewer mechanical problems than German rivals. CarEdge shows fewer major repairs than Mercedes or BMW equivalents, and JD Power confirms lower than average issues for engines and transmissions. The MDX uses a V6 engine shared with the Honda Pilot, combined with front-wheel or all-wheel drive. Owners in the US, Canada, and Australia report minimal failures up to 150,000 miles. Optional hybrid trims exist, but the standard V6 remains the most reliable choice. Pricing: $50,000 to $60,000 US, $70,000 to $80,000 Canadian, and $85,000 to $95,000 AUD. Fuel economy: 21 to 26 mpg combined, acceptable for a mid-sized luxury SUV. Resale is strong. MDX loses roughly 40 to 45% over 5 years, better than many luxury SUVs. Owners praise the quiet interior, tech, and comfort, and repair costs are generally predictable. Brakes, tires, and fluids are the main ongoing expenses. Tip: MDX avoids the common luxury complexity trap of German SUVs while keeping premium features. Finally, the Hyundai Tucson. Once criticized for reliability, Hyundai has improved dramatically. CarEdge shows low predicted failure rates for the 2026 Tucson, and consumer reports indicate minimal mechanical issues for the latest generation. It features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with 8-speed automatic, providing durability and efficiency. Optional hybrid trims are available, but the standard gas engine is considered more reliable. Annual maintenance is around $400 to $500, and Hyundai's 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty adds extra peace of mind. Pricing: $28,000 to $33,000 US, $42,000 to $45,000 Canadian, and AUD $50,000 to $55,000. Fuel economy: 25 to 28 mpg combined. Resale value is improving, with 5-year depreciation estimated around 45%, making it competitive with Kia Sportage or Honda HR-V. Owners praise smooth ride quality, modern interior, and user-friendly infotainment. Tip: for the highest reliability, stick with the standard trims initially, but hybrid tech has been tested well and looks promising for long-term performance. So there you have it, 5 2026 SUVs you can trust for reliability, resale value, and peace of mind. Mazda CX-5, Subaru Forester, Honda CR-V, Acura MDX, and Hyundai Tucson. Key takeaways: stick with proven engines and AWD, FWD options based on climate. Check service history, software updates, and optional features. Compare resale values and annual maintenance before buying. These SUVs combine real-world durability, efficiency, and comfort, making them safe bets for families, commuters, and adventure seekers alike. If you found this guide useful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Comment below, which of these SUVs would you choose for your next ride, and why? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.